This segment of The Exchange on My West Michigan is sponsored by the law offices of David L. Carrier. If you have aging parents or you're getting up there yourself, planning for your financial future can be tricky business. Elder law expert and attorney David Carrier is here to help you navigate through an often complicated experience. Good morning, David. Good to see you.
Thank you, Catherine. Nice to see you too, especially on the new digs.
Yeah,
you know, we just moved into new offices ourselves.
I know you did. You know what moving day is like. Yeah. Everything smells fresh and clean, though. Well, one of the things that you'll offer in the new digs are these life plan workshops, and you and I have been talking about these for years and encouraging people to attend. And it occurs to me, I need to know more about who are those workshops tailored for, and what exactly you're doing there.
Well, you know, like in the intro, you're saying aging parents are getting up there yourselves. You know, we get people from, you know, if you've got kids in a house, you should probably come to a life plan workshop, because it's not so much about your, it is about your finances, but that's because we understand that money is choices. If you have money, then you get to make choices. And our goal is to make sure that your money lasts as long as you do. And then if there are leftovers, which there will be, then how do we make sure it actually gets to the kids?
Yeah.
Most of the time, most people do die broke. I mean, it's just, that's just the way it is. And my sense of the thing is, you know, if it costs, you know, $9,000, $10,000, $12,000 a month to be in a traditional nursing home, or if you're paying thousands a month for at-home care, these are the things that drain life savings, that prevent choice. How do we make sure that you're okay? How do we make sure that your money lasts as long as you do, that your choices matter? And then, you know, after that, you know, how do we make sure that it gets the kids in the best way possible?
Yeah.
It's not really an age thing. You know, it is, there's no question that older folks definitely hear the footsteps, right?
Yeah, right. But younger people deny that the footsteps are ever going to come.
That's right.
We don't even want to acknowledge they're going to happen.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. But
but that's why the life plan workshop works, because it really is kind of, you know, to all ages. It's it goes quickly. It's a couple hours. You know, we get you the cookies and all that good stuff. But it does go quickly. And it kind of opens the door, really, on a lot of these issues for a lot of families.
Introduces you to the idea about what you should be doing and doing now.
Right.
And so then it's not a cookie cutter approach. It cannot possibly be, right? I mean, you tailor a plan around each person's needs?
Well, the way we do it, and we do it, now here's the thing. We have a very step-by-step, rigid, we try to be rigid about it, process. Because what we found is, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Yeah. But what you want to drive is going to be different, you know? So what we found is, if we're very consistent about, you know, standard process, procedure, then we can be very creative when it comes to your family, because then we've got the tools, we know what we're doing. Now let's pull down which tools we need to make a solution that really works in your case. You know, that's the idea. The failure to create a plan. You have probably seen plenty of worst case scenarios, right? Well, you know, about a third of the practice, about a third of what we do involves families who haven't planned ahead. You know, and then mom or dad's in the nursing home, spouses in long-term care. What do we do now? And now we're scrambling to try to
put something in place.
You know, crawling from the wreckage. You know what I mean? I mean, what can we save now? And when we pre-plan, boy, it's just, you know, it's night and day.
Yeah. Well, if you'd like to find help with your own particular situation before the fact, you should consider attending one of David's life plan workshops. They're free. They offer a chance to preserve your life savings, create financial peace of mind, and wind your way through a complicated system with an expert guide at the helm. Go to WZZM13.com for more information. David, thanks.
Thank you, Catherine. Glad to be here.